This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an e-affidavit. An e-affidavit is a modern, digital version of a traditional sworn statement, offering a streamlined and secure process. It allows you to legally declare facts or information electronically, saving you significant time and effort. This method eliminates the need for multiple physical visits to various offices, making the entire procedure much more efficient. We will cover the essential steps to successfully create and submit your e-affidavit, ensuring it meets all legal requirements. To begin, you will first need to register on the official e-stamping portal, which is typically a government-operated website. Once registered, navigate to the section for affidavits and carefully select the specific type of affidavit you need to create. This step is crucial for ensuring your document serves its intended legal purpose. Next, accurately fill in all the requested personal details and the specific content of your affidavit. Double-check that every piece of information aligns perfectly with any supporting documents you plan to use. After entering your details, you will need to upload any necessary supporting documents. These should be in the specified digital format, such as a PDF, and clearly legible. Take your time to thoroughly review the entire draft affidavit for any potential errors or missing information before proceeding. Once satisfied, you will pay the required e-stamping fee using the secure online payment gateway. Finally, digitally sign the affidavit using your authorized digital signature certificate, which provides legal validity to your electronic declaration. Upon submission, the system will automatically verify your digital signature and all the uploaded documents to ensure their authenticity and compliance. Following successful verification, you will receive a confirmation message, typically including a unique reference number for your record. It is important to note this number for any future inquiries. You can then download the final, legally valid e-affidavit. We recommend keeping both a digital and a physical copy of this important document securely stored for at least 7 years, or as required by law.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.